What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at a portable monitor that I picked up from Amazon. So this is by the company GKDY, company I've never heard of, but it has some good reviews on Amazon, so I decided to pick it up. The price on it, right now they have it for about 120 bucks, but they have a $20 coupon that you can apply. So I end up getting this for a little bit over 100 bucks. So this is a 15.6 inch full HD 1080p IPS laptop monitor. They call it a gaming monitor as well. It has dual full function USB Type-C and HDMI. It's a travel monitor you can use with your PSP, your PS4s, your PS5s, Xbox, your Nintendo Switches, all of that stuff. So it's supposed to have brilliant picture quality, full 1080p IPS, has a 178-degree viewing angle, HDR, dual Type-C, 16.7 million colors as well. It's going to be ultra slim. The bottom of it is going to be 0.39 inches, and the top is going to be 0.23. So this is going to be perfect for your business, your meetings, and using this for dual screen as well. So you also can use this to extend your phone screens as well, which I'm going to do with my Note, with my Z Fold 4. Thinking about that Note, man. So like I said, Switch, Xbox, PS5, PS4, all of those that we're going to be able to use this with. So here's the box. It did have the plastic on there. They sent this just like this. It did have it wasn't in a box. It just had the plastic all over it. It had my mailing address on it and all that. This is it. This is the paper. It wasn't in a box. So this is how they send it. On the back of it, well, on the side, you guys see HD LCD display, HD processor, stereo sound, lightweight, eye care mode, appearance pattern. And then here's the dimensions and everything on the back of it here. You guys see right there. So let's go ahead and get this out. This box is big, man. This is my first time having an external monitor. And let's get this box off of here. So I bought a Nintendo Switch. The box is going to troll me right here on camera. All right, so there we are. I bought a Nintendo Switch, and this is going to be perfect to travel with. I do have a big enough bag to put this in. So here's the monitor. I'm going to set that to the side. Here's the instructions on how to connect the monitor. Right there, different ways, different uses. You got Type-C, Type-C to USB-A. And there it is. So got some more instructions here of how to put your case on right there. And then let's get in here. So very well packaged so far. And then you're going to come with all your cables that you need. You get your user's guide here. It's going to tell you a lot of stuff that you need to know. So the first cable, it's going to be USB-C to USB-C. I don't need to take it out. There it is. The second cable is going to be, now I do need to open this one up to see. I think this is micro HDMI to full HDMI. Yep. That's your micro and your full HDMI. So that's nice. It looks like they're giving you every cable that you're going to need. And then we got this is probably our power cable here. Yeah, Type-C to Type-A. This is going to be for your power. And I'm hoping this is one that will power up just using the component that it's using with. So here's your power brick. So that is everything in the packaging. Let's go ahead, take a look at the monitor here. I'm going to clean all this up and then we'll take a look at the monitor. All right, guys, so here's the monitor, and this is the case stand for it here. Just a, no, I don't know what kind of material that is, but this is it. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is how it will stand. There's a piece of film here. Get that out of the way. Now, what I noticed right away, this has the matte display on it, so that is going to be cool right there. And it does have different viewing angles, so you got two different viewing angles right there, which is going to be cool. So let's look at the side of it here. So you're going to have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This is going to be, I'm not sure what that is. You got your power button there. This side, you got your mini HDMI Type-C, Type-C. This may be for your volume up and down. I'm assuming this is your volume up and down right here. 3.5 power button. And your mini HDMI with your two Type-C. And this just attaches by magnets here. So you can pull that off like that, but I'm not going to take it off. So this doesn't have a battery in it. So I'm going to get this plugged in and then we'll come right back. All right, guys, we're back in. I have my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 here. I have my Nintendo Switch over there, Bluetooth mouse, keyboard, and this is how I'm going to try this out. So first I want to go back over what I talked about here. So this switch is going to be for your volume up and down, your brightness and things like that. You'll be able to get into your menu on the display as well. And then this button here will take you home, and it's the power button as well. So on the back of it, I forgot to mention there are two external speakers right here and right there. Two speakers, I should say. And one thing about this case, if you're not careful, this thing will slide off just like that. It doesn't stay in place very well. That's one thing I don't like about it so far, that I found to be a problem. Now, I did try this out, plugging it in from the Z Fold 4, just with the Type-C cable to the monitor, and it will power it up. So that was a good thing for me there. So let's go ahead and do that. So there it is. Like I said, this will slide off of there if you're not careful. All right, so there it is. The Z Fold 4 is powering it up with just the Type-C. And as you guys see, it is into the Dex mode here. So the display looks great. I do love the matte screen that they have on here. The colors look vibrant, look real good. Now this is a 16:9 aspect ratio, so that's why it looks so slim. This is 60 hertz, I believe, as well. You guys see minimal bezels going around here. And this will work in landscape and portrait mode as well. So as you guys see here, I have my mouse and keyboard hooked up. So if I wanted to go in and adjust different things here, this is where I can go in and adjust my brightness if I want. Cycle down, I can do the aspect ratio, which is going to be wide or normal, I think. You got your color temperatures, your OSD settings, and I can reset it. And this is miscellaneous, like your volume, mute, FreeSync, on and off, low blue light, different things you can adjust here. Get back out, there it is. So Samsung Dex is working here. And I also can, still be able to use my phone over here. Let's go into something here. Now, one thing I did find, and I know there's a setting, I can't get my volume to work on the monitor when I have it plugged into my Z Fold 4. And I know there's a setting in there. Right now, my sound is just coming from my Z Fold 4. So let's go to YouTube here. So as you guys see, this looks great, man. My channel. So here's my channel. We're going to just pull up a video, let you guys see how this looks. So the sound is coming from here, from my phone. And there is a way to do that, and I couldn't find it. So if someone happened to watch this video, if you can leave a comment and let me know how to change it to the monitor, then that would be great. Now I can control the volume here, you guys see, but I just can't get it to play through the monitor speakers hooked up to my phone. So, but that is Samsung Dex. This is it. Now like I said, I do have the keyboard connected as well. So let's go in here and type something. Where's the, oh, here it is here. So you guys see it is going to work. Let's go to Samsung.com. So there's Samsung.com. As you guys see, it's in the dark mode here, but this is going to be great for me going out, taking it out, and being mobile with it. So last thing that I want to say, if you're running it just from your phone to power this up, then it's going to eat up your battery on your phone pretty quick. So you probably be, if you're going to be using it for a long extended time, then just go ahead and plug in the power into the monitor, and that will charge your phone as well. So let's go ahead next and take a look at it connected to the Nintendo Switch. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have the Nintendo Switch in the dock. I have the mini HDMI going into the dock over here, and I have a power supply coming in to the monitor. Now, I tried hooking this up just with the Type-C to Type-C from the Nintendo Switch to the monitor. It would power it on, but I was not able to use my joysticks to get into any kind of settings here or get into gameplay at all. But now this way, it is definitely working. As you guys see, I'm able to get in. Now, the only thing with this, you're going to have these cables over here just like that, but it's still portable, and you should be able still to, play your game on the go with this. If I wanted to take this all with me on the go, then I'm ready to go. Now, the speakers are playing through the monitor now, as you guys can hear. Just have to figure out why they're not playing when I use my Z Fold 4. Another thing about this too, this case is not the best. As you guys see, it fell right there. Having a hard time holding it, keeping it in place right there. But as you guys see, I'm able to get with the game here and play a game right here. So and the monitor looks excellent, man. The case is not that good. Only 2 positions there, and it slips and falls very easy right here. So I'm going to try it with my laptop next. So let's go. All right, guys, so last I have my Microsoft Surface Laptop Go over here. Have it plugged in with a hub right here, Type-C. I got the micro HDMI cable going out here, going into the hub, HDMI, and that's how I'm able to power, to get my image over here. Now, I did have to plug in the power to the monitor as well to make it, the laptop wouldn't make it power up. So right now I'm using extended stream on the laptop. So I'm able to use this with two different screens here. So if I wanted to do something over here on my laptop screen, then I can do that over here. And I also can be doing something over here, YouTube or whatever I want to do, Twitter or whatever. So the display looks really good over here, guys. I'm tell you, the blacks are really nice. Only thing I don't like, if you move this a little bit, it's going to slide off that little catch there that position it right there. But so far, I'm very, very pleased with the monitor here. It's very nice, man. The colors look good. Very big size. 15.6. This is a 12.2, I think, on my laptop Go. And I was able to use it with my Z Fold 4 and my Nintendo Switch as well. So I'll do a follow-up on this in a little while. I think it's a go. I like it. And so far it's good. So Will H, I'm out.